Hey guys, it's your Techie-Bro and welcome back with another video on the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can save your friends' Insta stories without knowing them. So let's get right into it. As you know, we cannot save Insta stories on our mobile with the Instagram app itself, except that we can take screenshots of the stories to save them. But that's an incomplete solution because you cannot save the video stories with this trick. So, to do the same, you have to download the app called Story Saver for Instagram from the link given below in the description. Now open the app and sign up with your Insta ID and password. Select the friend story of whom you want to save. Select the story and press on save. That's it, pals. You have now saved an video story from Instagram on your phone without knowing them. So that was a quick tutorial on how you can save Insta story on your phone easily. If you loved this video, then follow me on Instagram on the ID given here. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, comment your thoughts below, and press that red color subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss a future video on this channel. This is your Techie-Bro signing off until the next video. Peace.